Welcome back to the Parts Avatar YouTube channel. You might be wondering, what am I doing here standing next to this Lamborghini Urus? It's filthy, it's dirty, and it needs a proper detail. Well, I'm excited to announce that we'll be showcasing our new line of vehicle aesthetics products. We'll be using these products to give this car a full exterior and interior detail. So you'll see the interior all cleaned up and freshened up, and the exterior won't be as dirty as it is. It's pretty dirty for a daily driven Urus. In addition to that, we will be doing a full exterior detail on a Ferrari 488. It's actually quite dirty for a 488, so we want to make sure that we wash it and protect it. So we'll be utilizing our new ceramic detailer. That'll help protect it after it gets nice and clean.
I absolutely love this product. The Bazooka foam ensures your car is super sudsy and that every inch of the car is covered in foam. While our wash and wax is a 2-in-1 solution. It cleans away grime while adding a brilliant shine. So, we're here not only saving you time and effort, but we're saving you money because these products are at a super low price. After a good wash, you need an amazing dry. This to prevent any water spots on your car's finish. We have you covered with our highly absorbent microfiber towels. These towels are designed to pick up as much water as they can and minimize water spots occurring on your vehicle's finish. As every car enthusiast and detailer should, we seek perfection, especially perfection in how smooth our paint is. The best way to do that is with our clay bar kit. This, paired with our clay luber, helps the clay bar glide all over the paint. Now, let's listen in and see how big of an impact our clay bar made. The contaminated paint sounds like sandpaper, while the nice, clean, and fresh paint just glides.
Now that we've clay barred the hood of the car, we can use some high gloss glam and wax to bring back some of the shine and hide some of the imperfections in the paint.
When you desire a show-stopping finish, there's high gloss glam and wax. It's easy to use. Once your car is washed and dried, we spray it and use the simple wax on and wax off method. You end up with the result of a super glossy mirror-like shine that turns heads wherever you go. Now let's step into the part of the car you spend the most of your time in, the interior.
We see how dirty the interior is on this Urus. So why don't we try out our product, Interior Vibe, and do a quick comparison before and after of how well our product works.
Interior Vibe helps rejuvenate your cabin, leaving a fresh, clean aroma and a sparkling finish. Let's take a look and a comparison at the massive difference that Interior Vibe gave to these Lamborghini seats. As you can see, on one side, they are quite dirty and greasy, while the other side is nice and fresh and clean.
Now that the interior is all clean, let's make sure we protect it up with some Leather Love. We'll apply it direct and then just buff it off.
And to add on to that, Leather Love is a 2-in-1 solution. It could be utilized to clean and protect your interior.
Let's say you're in a rush and you don't have time to use Interior Vibe and then follow up with Leather Love. Leather Love is actually a 2-in-1. It's a cleaner and conditioner. So what we'll use on these dirty armrests is just Leather Love, and we'll see the difference. So we have this beautiful 488 here. What products are we going to utilize on it? We're going to utilize citrus crust and Bazooka foam. We're going to clean and prep the car to give it a little bit of ceramic coating with our ceramic obsession. Now that the 488 has been washed and dried, we can utilize ceramic obsession to give it even more shine.
This is your ticket to stunning, long-lasting shine. This product can be used to boost your existing ceramic coating or work as a standalone 6-month coating, giving you lots of variety in its application. With Ceramic Obsession's advanced formula, this detailer creates a protective layer, enhancing your car's gloss and repelling any dirt and other contaminants.
Last but not least, we want to put some tire shine on our freshly cleaned wheels. So we're going to use some extreme tire shine also from Parts Avatar, and this will help us finish off this beautiful 488.
Your car's appearance is not complete without pristine tires.
Now that the 488 has been cleaned and protected, it's ready to hit the road. Parts Avatar's new lineup of car aesthetics products give you top-notch quality and great value, especially compared to our competitors. Take a look at this vehicle. It's all clean and ready to hit the road. Like any of the products that we used in today's video? Well, they're all available at partsavatar.ca. And as a little secret, there's a discount code in the description just for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more exciting videos like today's, subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Remember, Parts Avatar has got your back, so don't forget to subscribe to the Parts Avatar channel so you don't miss any of these exciting videos.